Hi everybody, happy week 24 of health class and the last week of February already, which is insane. We are coming up on 1 year of COVID and surviving this, which kudos to everybody for that. It's gone really fast, even as the world's going kind of slow, if you think about it. So for this week, there are different expectations for different students depending on if you are a hybrid learner or a distance learner. So please make sure that you watch this entire video. Please make sure that you're listening carefully so that you understand what you need to accomplish depending on what learning format you are currently in. Okay, so right now I'm in our week 24 folder. It's the pink folder in Schoology, the last week of February. Normally, it's set up as a part 1 and a part 2 folder for the week. This week, it's a little bit different. We are starting our alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs unit. So you're going to see it written as ATOD a lot, like ATOD. That stands for alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. We're starting that unit this week, and I just want to kind of gauge where you're already at with that topic of what have you learned about it in sixth grade health? How much do you remember from sixth grade health? Before we really dive into it in seventh grade, I kind of need to know where you all are at. And that's really what this week is about. It's kind of like our introduction week to the unit. And that's why there is not a part 1 and a part 2 folder. It's just what you need to accomplish throughout the week. So if I click into it, okay. The very first thing that you see, it says Kahoot link for only DL. That means that only distance learners need to take this Kahoot on their own through this link. Everybody else, if you are a hybrid learner, we will be playing Kahoot, this same Kahoot, in person during class. Meaning I do not want you to do this on your own time. Only for my distance learners. If you are in the building, we will be doing this during class, so leave this one alone unless you are a distance learner. If you are a distance learner and you're playing this Kahoot, this is kind of like a pre-quiz almost of me trying to figure out what you know. So try your hardest, do your best, and keep track of how many answers you got correctly and got right, because I want to know that before we keep moving forward in the unit, okay? With whatever your final score is for Kahoot, like however many you got correct for my distance learners, I want you to Schoology message me with that number that you got correct out of the total, okay? My hybrid kids, you'll be doing this in person, so for you, you'll just write it down on a sheet of paper. It'll be a little bit different, okay? This introduction discussion and this article summary assignment. You will have time if you're a hybrid learner to work on both of those things in the classroom. So again, I don't want you worrying about these things if you're a hybrid learner. If you're a distance learner, you obviously have to work on these things on your own time. For the discussion, it says, what do you know about alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs? So what have you learned? Just tell me, hey, I learned about this, this, and this in sixth grade health, or I've heard about this, this, this. And then what do you want to learn about alcohol, tobacco, or other drugs? So maybe you want to know what happens to the body. Maybe you want to know what consequences could happen for using those things. Maybe you want to know how big of an issue it is for teenagers or for males or for females to use drugs. Maybe you want to learn about a specific type of drug because you have heard about it, but you don't really know a lot. The biggest thing, you guys, you need to answer in complete sentences. You need to answer in complete sentences. If you don't, you will automatically be docked a point from this discussion because that is an expectation. So if you do not answer in complete sentences, you will be docked a point for sure. The other assignment for the week to start us out with this unit and introduction introduction week to the unit is getting you familiar with the topic even more through the article summary assignment. So for the article summary for this unit, As a reminder, what you'll do is you'll download this worksheet into Notability. If you need to pause this video to do that, go ahead. And then once you have this downloaded into Notability, you're going to go to Google and you're going to search for an article related to either alcohol or tobacco or any other drug use or medications. You could also include medications in your search because we talk about medications as well in 7th grade health class in this unit. So anything with alcohol, tobacco, or other drugs, you're going to search for that. So you type in articles about tobacco, or articles about smoking, or articles about vaping. Okay. Once you find an article that you like in Google, then all you do is you plug in the information from the article into this worksheet. Okay. So you start by the title, then the website that it came from, the person who wrote it, and then you're going to tell me the main points from the article in your own words right down here for the summary. Okay, so that's how you'll do that assignment, just as a quick reminder for those who need it. And that is the expectations for the week. You do a Kahoot, you answer the discussion questions, and you get started working on the article summary assignment for the unit. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. But I think it's pretty straightforward for this week. But like I said, let me know if you have any questions as we start this new unit. Bye!